Follow these steps to write a good title. Use keywords. Find the keywords that are best suited for your video. There are two types of keywords in a title. First is the long tail keyword. This is the first part of the title. This part contains the main info about the video, and it is important for SEO. The second is the short tail keyword. This is the second part of the title, separated from the first one. It can also be the extension of the long tail keyword. To add the keywords first, head over to YouTube and search for the type of content you made. For example, I made a video about creating an AI avatar for free, so I will search for this on YouTube. As you can see, other creators have already made some videos on the topic. Now I will check out these titles and find the good keywords. For example, these keywords are good and have more views. I will simply add this as my long tail keyword and change it a little according to my video needs. Next, add a space and a ratio symbol to separate the keywords from each other, or you can add the vertical bar symbol instead of the ratio. Now we will find the short tail keyword and add it as well. Now you can leave the title here or add your channel name if you want. To do so, add another vertical bar and type your channel name. Title length. Make sure your title consists of 50 to 70 maximum characters. If you go beyond 70 characters, the whole title will not be visible to the mobile user. Since most of the YouTube audience uses mobile, your video might not get more views. Make sure to explain your video in a maximum of 70 characters, spaces included. Be descriptive. Clearly describe what the video is about. If you're doing a tutorial, include the specific topic or tool you're covering. Doing this enhances your video reach, and more people click on the video. Create curiosity. Phrases like how to, top 10, or the best can create interest and encourage clicks. So try to use these phrases where you can in the title. Insider's language. Try not to use insider's language in your title. Insider's language means the technical words that you use in your field. For example, words like SEO, CTR, etc. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you a compelling title for your video. Here's how to do so. First, head over to ChatGPT. Then type, "I've made a YouTube video about creating an AI avatar for free. Suggest clickable titles for that video." Hit enter, and it will generate titles for you. Copy the one that you like and that suits your video and paste it into the title section. Also, here are some tips to make a good title. Tip 1. I suggest writing the video title before you even start recording your video, because it's easier for you, and you don't have to waste much time. Tip 2. I also suggest you change your title after 2 or 3 months because it helps to give your video a little more boost. After some time, the titles get outdated and people do not click that much, so if your video is not performing well, you should update the title. Tip 3. Try not to use symbols like the percentage symbol or @ symbol in your title. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.